Today is the day. So I only ordered this a couple weeks ago, and it wasn't supposed to ship until October 28th. And it is currently October 5th, and it has arrived. So, super excited it got here early. As you can see, haven't even opened the box. I know what it looks like, technically, but haven't seen it. So we're gonna get it open, we're gonna put it together, and then I'm gonna take the wheels and tires off, take them to my local bike shop. He's gonna convert them to tubeless for me. Open these real quick. This should be the water bottle. Yes, sir. Read the pin manual. Yeah, put on the water bottle page. Yada, yada, yada. Okay. Cool. Pretty nifty. Oh, nice. I have a shock pump, but I don't quite like mine because it's got like a 45-degree angle right here, so this one is much nicer. So I'll probably end up running this. I'm assuming that it's lossless. I'll have to check whenever it's I actually go to use it, but cool. There's a little switch, so this is the battery for the derailleur, obviously. There's a little toggle on it, so you can indicate whether it's charged or empty. Pretty neat. It was on the empty setting, so that's why I wanted to get this out so I could charge it. All right, scratch that. So before I take the wheels to the bike shop to convert to tubeless, I should probably put the bike together and make sure that it fits me before I make any permanent changes. So I'm gonna go ahead. Gonna put the bike together, do a test lap around the driveway, and then take the wheels and tires off and take them to the bike shop. Bike's all put together. Heck yeah.